Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm aware I've been away for a while. I've just been busy here and there. Today's video is going to be on the look that I've done right here. And yes, why do I have two different colors on the inner corners? You'll get to see why in a minute. I've got a tutorial done up on this look. Please keep on watching the video and see a tutorial on how I've gotten this look done on myself step by step. Give it a try on yourself and let me know how you like it. Alright, let's get started with the tutorial. I'll show you how to do this look step by step. Alright, for the eyes, I'll not be doing anything too crazy or too over the top. Just a little bit of defining in the crease. I hope you guys can see. Just to get a little definition, nothing too much. Since the highlight of the look is going to be the pop of color in the inner corners. Same thing on the other eye. I'll also not be using an eyeliner today for this look. Usually what the eyeliner does is it steals the look. And it becomes a center of attraction as well. But next I'll pick up any champagne color that you like or any light color. Something cream, not think stark white, because obviously white just does not work with our Indian skin tones since we have yellow and olive undertones. Just like that, just a little bit of champagne color, like cream, beige cream color, and that's it. See, it's quite simple, nothing too crazy. Just with the same exact brush that I used for my crease, I'm going to just blend this whole thing out. I've not added any more eyeshadow on this. It has nothing left on it. Now I'm just blending it out for a more cleaner look. Right, so now for the fun part. For the inner corner highlight, you could do whichever color you like. The neon colors were like the latest trend, where they were in the States now is starting to come down here. Pinks, neon greens, yellows, lime greens, blues, purple, any colors that you like, pretty much. Instead of doing a lighter shade of a highlight color, what we are doing today is a pop of color, like a pink. I'll show you a pink on one eye and I'll show you another color on the other eye, just so you get an idea. Alright, so before we get started, we cannot just lay down any shade of pink on the eye. We want it to pop. So I'm going to be using a NYX jumbo eye pencil in color white. And where you want, in the inner corner, you want the color to pop, you're going to place this down first. Can you see it? Don't worry about being uneven and messy. We'll blend that out. I'm going to just use my fingernail, not my fingernail, just my finger, to blend this out. Don't blend it out too much, otherwise it will lose its color. Just a little bit, blend it out on the edges. Any small inner corner brush that you could use, nothing too big, something very small. I'm going to pick up a pink shade, and I'm using a blush here from my palette that I've created. Any pink shade that you may like, and place that down right on top of that white color that you've laid down. I'll tell you something else I've done. I was trying this look earlier on myself to see how it would look, since I'm doing it for the very first time today. I've never really done this before. I've obviously seen it before. I couldn't find my white jumbo pencil. So what I did instead was I picked up a pink lipstick, any shade of pink that you like, and then place that down where you've placed the white color. Set that with a pink eyeshadow and you're good to go. It works equally as good as this is. You can try that. You don't have to go out and buy that NYX pencil if you don't want to. Just try that with a lipstick. That works equally good. So once you have that down, you're happy with it. Oh, actually, I'm going to make it a little bit more intense. Why not, of course, right? You pick up that same pink blush color on your brush. And what you could do is you could spray with a setting spray. I'm going to be using a MAC Fix Plus. Spray it on the brush. So once you dip the color on, once you pick up the color on the brush, and then you have to spray the setting spray on the brush. And then pop that right up again where you've placed that shade of pink. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but it's gotten a lot brighter than it was earlier. There we go. Oh, I like that. There we go. So that we're done with white. I'll come back to the eyes. I'll finish the eyes with mascara and eyelashes. Like I said, I'm not going to be using doing an eyeliner look today. I'll show you another technique on the other eye with a different color, just so you guys get an idea. Pick up a concealer, but make sure it is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Otherwise, it will not pop as much as you would want it to. If you don't want to use a lipstick, or if you don't want to go out and buy a white cream eye pencil like a NYX Jumbo one, use your concealer on a flat shade brush right in the inner corners where, like the same way you've applied this pink, where exactly you would want your color, you would place your concealer down. You know how you do a cut crease? You would need to lay down a concealer for your cut crease, and it'll make the colors pop a lot more. Same way. I'm going to pick up a blue color. I'm not really sure how to define this color, but this is like a bluish, like a cornflower blue with undertones of golden and a little bit of silver sparkle in it. And I'll pick it up on a pencil brush. I'm just showing you options on what all brushes you can use. Just make sure it's small, it fits in your inner corner, nothing too big and crazy. And where you've laid down the concealer, you're just going to place this color down. Like that. And then blend it out as needed. Like so. You can make it as intense or as light as you prefer. I'm going to pick up the color on my brush, pick up my MAC Fix Plus, spray it on the brush, and then go back onto this. This look has become so popular. I'm not sure who started this trend, but I saw it on Kylie Jenner doing a pink inner corner, and it looked stunning on her. And after her, I've seen a lot of other people, a lot of other influencers, YouTubers, a lot of the people doing this. Alright, so that is what it looks like with 2 different colors. I've got like a cornflower blue, and I've got a pink inner corner highlight. I did 2 different colors just so you guys get an idea. You guys can do any colors you like. Right, now for the lashes, please don't leave your lashes. It's just an incomplete look. I'm going to coat my lashes, top and bottom. You just do a light hand. I'm going to do a light hand here of lashes because I'm going to be applying falsies. I'm going to be picking up these falsies by Ardell. Sorry, I'm just going to try and open it. It's really difficult. Alright, I'm going to be using these wispies. They're very, they're shorter in the inner corners, and they're really long and flattery on the outer corner. I'm going to be using a lash glue. I prefer using the Duo one. It's really, really good. I've heard Huda Beauty lash glue is also really, really good, and Lily lashes, they're also amazing, but I can't get my hands on them in India. I think I can get Huda Beauty in India. I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up. The rule is to let the glue sit on the eyelash for about 30 seconds. Let it get tacky before you apply it. But I'm honestly too lazy and to wait for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. The lashes are down. I don't mind having two different inner corner pop of colors on both the eyes. It just looks nice. Alright, sorry, before I got started, I didn't tell you. I'm going to coat my lower lashes now with mascara. And there you have it. Our look is complete. Inner corner pop of color, two different colors. Pick the ones that you like. Try it out on yourself. Then let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments down below on as to how you like this tutorial. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.